Today we're talking work lights, and even if you have good overhead lighting in your shop space, you'll be surprised how helpful it is to have individual LED lights on each power tool. We'll look at 3 different varieties of LED work lights, including a couple of chameleon style lights that let you change the color temperature as well as the intensity of the light. But we'll start our comparison today with the LED spine lock lamp. The spine lock lamp is a nice little shop light. It gives a narrowly focused beam of light, almost like a small spotlight. And for some tools, that's about what you want. A bandsaw is one good example of a great application for the spine lock. Now, the spine lock lamp is an LED light, and it's got a color rendering index of 80. Compare that to a basic fluorescent light, which would have a CRI of just 50. So not too bad for a shop light. You get a nice focused beam of light, and it's easily repositionable. Just the flexible portion of the light is over 20 inches with an overall reach of 30 inches. There's an articulation knuckle near the light, and then the bezel itself rotates. Now, the brightness of the spine lock lamp is rated at 500 lumens. One big benefit of all the lights we'll talk about today is they have a wide range of electrical inputs. So the LED driver will accept voltages anywhere from 100 up to 240 volts. So this means you can use your light with a standard 110 household current or with your 220 volt tools. Once you've confirmed from the product manual that you have a variable voltage driver, you can use a little adapter like this. This will accept the plug-in from your light and let you in turn plug that into a 220 volt outlet. Using the 1412 bandsaw as an example, there's actually 2 mounting locations for this chameleon light that we'll look at next. This is the Chameleon CRI 90. Use an 8mm wrench and a Phillips screwdriver to make the installation. Just make sure to use a split ring washer or some sort of a thread locker so this stays put and never comes loose. Route your power cord to stay away from any moving parts, and you're in business. There's even a convenient plug to take power directly from the saw. Now, the Chameleon CRI 90 spotlight gets a jump in color rendering index up to 90 with this model. There's also a significant increase in light output. Now, this one is adjustable as far as your light intensity, and it ranges from 0 to 940 lumens. You also get the benefit of adjustable color temperature. For shop lighting, I typically like the higher intensity and more towards the cooler side of the spectrum. Now, the swing arm has 2 friction joints from up above, but there's also a rubberized knob to let you fine-tune the placement of the light, as well as a rotation control. The cast metal components are heavy duty and built to last. So the Chameleon lights, with their higher CRI rating, give you photorealistic colors compared to the spine lock light, which does have plenty of output and certainly does the job in a shop setting, but there is a notable difference in the color quality. For the Chameleon CRI 95 light, we'll use a 12/16 lathe as an example, and the light can be mounted on this L bracket that attaches to the back of your lathe. And just snug everything in place. For the Chameleon CRI 95, your color rendering jumps to 95, and your light output is variable from 0 to 720 lumens. And of course, everything is variable as far as the color temperature, and then a nice toggle switch to power off. Build quality is excellent, and these rubber overmolded knobs make it easy to position the light wherever you need it. With your workspace this well lit, you know exactly what the finish is going to look like. And with the desk clamp and magnetic accessories available, you can mount these lights to just about any tool. Well, there you go. Lots of great LED lighting options for your shop. You'll find more information at lagunatools.com.